Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the rate limit reached error on Claude AI using these simple tricks. This error happens when you send too many words or messages at one time, but you can clear the problem quickly and get back to your writing dashboard without waiting for hours. Step 1. Start a completely fresh chat room. The first step to fix this block is to close your current talk and open up a brand new clean chat page. Move your mouse pointer over to the top left side of your browser screen and click on the button that says New Chat or has a small plus sign image. This will immediately sweep away your current typing block and give you an empty white text box. Click that button firmly to clear the display view. Do not keep typing in the old room where the error message popped up. Because of how the computer memory tracks your words, every single time you send a new message in an old chat, the system has to reread every single line, pasted note, and document you shared since the very beginning of that room. When a chat gets too long, the pile of words becomes too massive for the system to read in 1 minute, which triggers the automatic limit block. Starting fresh cuts the memory back down to 0. Step 2. Shorten and combine your questions so you do not overload the system rows. Look at the text you want to type. Instead of pressing the send button 5 times for 5 small thoughts, group your thoughts together into one clear message. Also, if you are pasting large document sheets or massive files, chop them into smaller sections instead of dropping the whole thing at once. Highlight your text, trim out any extra sentences you do not need, and paste only the core parts into the empty text line. This step matters because sending quick, rapid messages back to back tells the safety system that you are moving too fast. By packaging your questions into one single, well-organized message, you only use up one turn of the system's focus instead of draining your allowance on multiple smaller requests. Step 3. Switch to a lighter model choice. Now, if the platform still tells you that you have reached the limit, you can pick an alternative model version that is less busy. Look at the very bottom area of your typing chat box where the model name is listed. Click on that name line to open up a small drop-down menu showing the different versions available on your profile. Choose a lighter, faster version from the list, like switching down from the heaviest model option to the smaller, quicker options. This is a helpful trick because the biggest and most powerful models have very strict limits since everyone is trying to use them at the same time. The smaller versions use much less computing power, meaning their lane is usually wide open and free from strict rate limits. You can keep working smoothly without any pause. And that's it. To fix rate limit reached on Claude AI, you first open up a completely fresh chat room to reset the heavy memory load. Next, you combine your questions into one single text block and shorten your pasted files. Then, you use the drop-down menu to select a lighter model version that has lower traffic blocks. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.